Jamaica, watch this.
Say, out of the bodies reflex. Catchy pot in her head side, you know that see. You would never see such a catch in her head side with a pot yet in her life. Bet you would never do that again. You can bad mind and wicked, so. You can bad mind and wicked, so. As a little you see your future already, you know. You see your future already because you bad mind me. If you scrape out the best part of the rice. Hey, that look like some mommy that cook the rice with one whole stick of butter to all the bun crisp and pretty. And you control water in the can. Me say you would get a big lick. Not even Jesus. Not even Jesus. Me say you would come in like a Jackie Chan show. You would get the lick, and when you get the lick, and me say, boy, at that time you go feel the lick too. You get the lick fast. You can bad mind, sir.